Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the details of a particular product such as its material, fit type or pattern type on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the first icon down below, which is the shop icon. After that, select a category from the top below the search bar. Then you should scroll down till you find this shop by category section. There are a vast variety, so there's a vast variety of options here. Click on the relevant one. And now you should select a product that you are interested in and would like to see its details. Scroll down till you find the description section, so click on it. And as you can see, there is this box or this section called description. So you're going to find all the relevant and necessary information about that particular product of your choice, such as its style, color, strap, pattern type, back size, material, coating, composition, and item ID, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.